Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby chicken and an Easter egg. So let's get started. To draw this cute baby chicken, let's start by drawing a big tall curve. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to go up nice and high. And it's going to get a little bit thinner as we come to the top, narrower I mean. And about right here, I'm going to start to come down. So nice and high, and we're going to bring it down. So it's like I said, it's narrow at the top, and then we're just going to bring this down. And I'm just going to drag a point across from approximately the same level on the other side, so I know where I'm going to end it. There. So I just want this one big curve. Then from there, we're going to come to the sides right here. Just come out a little bit, and I'll just give myself a point on both sides. Right there, and then we're going to draw a bunch of zigzags for the eggshell. So let's go ahead and we're just going to go up and down. So there's no wrong or right way, but let's try when you're drawing the zigzag across to give it a slight curve towards the bottom, towards the center here, and then go back up. If it's too hard for you, you can just go ahead and go straight. But just by giving it a slight curve, like a little dip towards the center, it just gives our eggshell here a little bit more volume. So like say about right here would be kind of like my center. That would kind of be like my lowest point. Then I'm going to start to go up. But like I said, it doesn't really matter. And let's see here, go up right here and then just finish it off. Back to your point. There. So just very slightly. And then from there, I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw the bottom of our eggshell. So it's just one big curve, a little bit rounder than this part. So let's come out here a little bit wider towards the bottom. So I'm just going to go back and forth since I'm drawing pretty big. And about right here's my center. And then I'm going to go up. So you just want one nice smooth curve all the way around. There. Okay, so that is basically an egg with an eggshell, right? So now you can do it whatever you like with it. There's so many options. But today we're going to draw a little baby chick. And so if you want to do that, let's come about here in this area and I'll just start with the beak right in the center. So say about right here. Just going to draw a curve so I know that my beak is nice and centered. And then I'm going to come next to it and draw a circle. And since I'm drawing pretty big, my eyes are a little bit big, so I can make them draw so cute eyes. But if you're drawing small and you don't have enough space, you can just put one highlight and not all the details that I usually put on all my draw so cute eyes. So right here. There, so my two circles in. So let's come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So then let's come up above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And then we can come over here and just draw a curve right here, just for indication of the wings. And at the top right here, I thought it's kind of empty. So right in the center, I'm just going to add a little feather, just to make it extra cute. So I'm just going to come in here with two little curves. There. So that is pretty much it for our little chicken. But then let's go ahead, since this is for Easter, we're going to come about here and we're going to start to decorate our egg. And so this is the part I hope I inspire you to do whatever you want to just decorate this egg. So I'm just dragging a point across so I know where I'm going since I'm drawing really big here. So I'm going to draw this curve. Just want to make sure. Go back to about the same level on both sides. So same thing here. Just going to draw a bunch of stripes to decorate my egg. Towards the center and then slightly go up. Maybe a little bit wider here. This just helps make sure I'm going about the same level. And let's see, we have room for maybe one more. So the bottom is a little bit easier. So I'm not going to drag a point. It's closer. Okay, there. And then let's see here. How do we want to decorate it? We can come in here with maybe circles. Like I said, it's all up to you. Small circles, big circles. Just create a pattern going across. Maybe some hearts, of course. So we just draw a bunch of hearts going across. Here. I wasn't sure what I was doing, so I didn't space it out correctly, but we'll put 3 hearts there, and then maybe this one will just be like big polka dots. There, something like that. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of a cute little baby chick in an Easter egg to celebrate Easter. I really hope you love this and that I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.